Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Call of Duty Warzone server disconnected error, the one that keeps kicking you out even when your internet is perfectly fine. Let's get this solved quickly. First, go to your Windows search bar and type View Network Connections. Open it, find your active network adapter, double-click it, then click Properties. Next, select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP/IPv4 and click Properties again. Make sure Obtain an IP address automatically is selected. Then, below that, choose Use the following DNS server addresses and enter 8.8.8.8, 8.8.4.4. Click OK to save. Now for the next step, open the search bar again and type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt, choose Run as Administrator and click Yes. In the black window, type ipconfig/flushdns. Press Enter. Then type netsh winsock reset. Press Enter again. Once that's done, restart your PC and the Warzone server disconnect issue should be fixed. If this guide helped you out, make sure to subscribe to the channel and I'll see you in the next one.